Hi, it's Anna. Welcome to my channel, SourPatchKeed. Today I have a clothing haul from the company I Execute. I want to say a big thank you to I Execute for sending these items. Now let's get into the unboxing. All right, so the very first item is their organic cotton t-shirt, and this one is in the size medium and the color canyon pink. So it's pretty much just kind of like loungewear. It says cherish in the front in gold. It's pretty. This cotton dress is definitely absolutely comfortable. For reference, I am 5'3" and I weigh about 120 pounds, and a size medium fits me perfectly. It's a little bit loose, but not too loose. So it's definitely loungewear material, and like I said, it definitely feels absolutely super soft. I love the colors. They actually have a couple of other color options if you would like to check those out, but this one is absolutely cute and definitely comfortable, so it's definitely up my alley. Up to the next one. The next item is their unisex Indigo Sweater, and this one I also got in a size medium. So this is what this one looks like. It also says cherish in the front with a little hourglass. Oh, it's super cute. I love the transition to the purple. And it also feels very soft and high quality, and it feels breathable. Like if you look very closely, like you could see some little, pockets into there, like some little holes. Like it's definitely breathable, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. So let's get this one on. So as predicted, the sweater is super duper comfortable. It does keep warm. It does feel like it has a little bit of weight to it. And of course, I like the little Ariana Grande situation we got right here. But yeah, so I really like it. It's very comfortable, and like I said, like I'm a big loungewear person, and the size medium fits me perfectly. It's not tight, it's not hugging all the awkward places in my body, but it's also very comfortable, very fitting, and just a little bit loose. I don't know what that was. So yeah, to the last but definitely not least item. So the last item is their yoga leggings. I actually recently started doing yoga again. I was doing yoga when I was pregnant with Nikolai, and then I stopped. Don't know why I did, but yeah, so I'm definitely excited to try these because I haven't had a pair of yoga pants since my pregnancy. So I'm going on almost 3 years since I haven't tried any type of leggings or anything like that. So let's see what these bad boys do. And of course, this is also in the size medium. Now keep in mind, I do not have a booty. I mentioned this in every video where I'm trying bottoms. I don't have a bum, okay? So I want to see if medium actually does my booty some justice. So let's try these on. The yoga leggings do have like a spandex type of feel to them. They're definitely the type of material that keep you warm. So I actually, like I mentioned, I'm 5'3". So if you're taller than me, there's definitely room, because as you can see, I was like adjusting the legs because it does have like it's stretchy, okay? So as you can see, like I was pulling the pants over my belly button, and then below I feel like putting it on my belly button, which is typically not my style, actually does make me look slimmer, and it definitely gave my booty a little bit of a, you know, a little bit of a bump. It definitely, you know, gave it some curves there, you know, so I really appreciate that. It definitely passes the squatting test, as you can see, and also it's definitely good for stretching. It wouldn't rip on you. It does feel like high quality material. And yeah, so pretty much overall I would rate this entire company, from everything I got, definitely a 5 out of 5. Everything is definitely feeling high quality, definitely soft on the skin. I do suffer from very dry skin and eczema, and I'm not getting any type of irritation from any of the clothes. And also, like I said, they're definitely comfortable for loungewear and just chilling around the house and or working out or doing any type of exercise like activity, like yoga, stretches and stuff like that. I definitely liked all the quality of everything. They fit perfectly. Like I said, again, I am 5'3" and I weigh about 120 pounds. I got a size medium and everything fit perfectly. But personally, I do like my clothes to be a little bit loose fitting, but it's not loose where everything looks baggy on me. And it definitely still has the, you know, it definitely has like a unisex vibe to, you know, the sweater. I definitely got loungewear vibe from the dress. And you know, it's like every category that I got, because I made sure I got one thing from each of the categories, and I feel like they definitely do stand with pretty much what it's meant to. So yeah, this company's information again will be listed down in the description box if you are interested in getting yourself a cute little loungewear and or workout, you know, and or workout outfit. So yeah, if you guys like what you saw, please be sure to let me know down below which one was your favorite piece. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post something dope. Yeah, so I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.